In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq to take notes. We'll walk through a simple, focused workflow using Logseq's whiteboard feature so you can map ideas visually and keep your notes clear and organized. I'll explain what to look for at each step and share practical guidance to help everything feel smooth as you follow along. First, open Logseq. This can be the desktop app or your preferred setup. Give it a moment to load your graph, which is where all your notes and boards live. Think of the graph as your workspace. Everything you create will be stored here and available the next time you open Logseq. Next, click on Whiteboard. You'll usually find Whiteboard in the left sidebar or in the main navigation area. The Whiteboard section is designed for visual note-taking and planning, giving you a flexible canvas for ideas that don't fit neatly into a traditional outline. Once you're there, you're ready to start fresh. Now click on New Whiteboard. This creates a blank canvas. You'll land on an open space where you can add text, arrange elements, and structure your thoughts however you like. The canvas supports a free-form layout, which is perfect for brainstorming, meeting notes, or planning a project at a glance. Type in a title for your board. Keep it short and specific so it's easy to find later. A clear title helps you quickly identify the purpose of the board and makes your workspace more searchable and organized. You can always refine the title later if your focus evolves. Click on the text icon and type in the details title. The text tool typically looks like a T in the toolbar. After selecting it, click once on the canvas to place a text box. Use this first text box as a header for your notes section, something that captures the theme or the main topic you're documenting. A concise heading will make the rest of your content easier to scan. Click on the text icon again to add details. With the text tool active, click below your heading to add the body of your notes. Write out your key points in short, clear lines so each idea stands on its own. If you're capturing action items or insights, consider phrasing them consistently to make them easy to review later. Keep your sentences focused and separate distinct thoughts onto new lines for readability. That's it. You opened Logseq, went to Whiteboard, created a new whiteboard, gave it a clear title, added a heading, and then captured the details beneath it. Your work saves as you go, so you can return anytime to refine, expand, and build on your notes.